Welcome back to Shift Path, where the future of cars meets real talk. Today we are diving deep into one of the boldest electric SUVs in the market, the Kia EV9. This is not just another AV. This is Kia's statement that electric family SUVs can be stylish, practical, and futuristic all at once. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to Shift Path for honest car reviews, future-ready analysis, and the latest trends in the auto world. Now let's talk about why the EV9 is making so much noise in the industry. Let's start with the basics, the numbers that define the EV9. The Kia EV9 is an all-electric, three-row SUV built on Kia's EGMP platform. It starts at a price of around $54,000 in the United States. The estimated range is over 300 miles on a single charge. It comes with both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive options. The EV9 is designed for families who want space, comfort, and technology without giving up on style. This car is positioned as a competitor to Tesla Model X, Rivian R1S, and the upcoming Volvo EX90, but unlike its competitors, the EV9 enters the market with an aggressive price advantage. Now let's talk about performance. Because power and comfort are at the heart of every SUV, the base rear-wheel drive version offers around 200 horsepower. The all-wheel drive variant steps it up to nearly 380 horsepower. That means 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 6 seconds for the AWD model. For a three-row family SUV, that is seriously impressive. Kia has tuned the EV9 to feel smooth and confident rather than overly sporty. The ride quality is soft, the steering is light, and the suspension is well balanced for long family trips. Even at highway speeds, the EV9 feels planted and stable. Noise insulation is excellent thanks to the flat EV platform and double glass windows. It's not about adrenaline, it's about comfort, safety, and family-friendly performance. When it comes to range and charging, Kia has designed the EV9 to crush road trip anxiety. The EV9 comes with a massive 99.8 kilowatt-hours battery pack. The rear-wheel drive variant gives you up to 304 miles of range on a full charge. The all-wheel drive variant offers slightly less due to the extra power demand, but still close to 280 miles. The real highlight is Kia's ultra-fast charging technology. Using an 800-volt architecture, the EV9 can charge from 10% to 80% in just around 25 minutes if you are at a proper DC fast charger. That means a family road trip with coffee breaks is absolutely possible. At home with a level 2 charger, it will take around 9 hours for a full charge overnight. So practically speaking, if you have charging set up at home, range anxiety is not going to be an issue. Technology is where the EV9 really begins to feel futuristic. It features a massive dual display setup with a 12.3-inch digital cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment screen joined by a smaller 5-inch display for climate controls. The user interface is clean, modern, and responsive. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are supported. There are multiple USB-C ports throughout the cabin to keep everyone connected. On the safety side, the EV9 comes packed with Kia's latest ADAS features. That includes highway driving assist, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision avoidance. Perhaps the coolest feature is the over-the-air update system. This allows Kia to push new features and improvements directly to the car, keeping it future-ready. On the Shift Path Future Ready meter, here's how the EV9 scores. Technology, 9 out of 10. Comfort, 8 out of 10. Efficiency, 7 out of 10. Resale. Potential, 7 out of 10. Overall Future Ready score, 8 out of 10. This SUV feels prepared for the next decade. Now comes the question every buyer asks. How much? Does it cost, and is it worth it? The EV9 starts at around $54,000 in the US, which is way cheaper than Tesla Model X and Rivian R1S. Tesla Model X starts at nearly $80,000. Rivian R1S starts at over $70,000. The upcoming Volvo EX90 is expected to be closer to $80,000 as well. So Kia is clearly undercutting its rivals with a price that is almost $20,000 lower. for families who want a premium electric SUV but don't want to cross the $70,000 barrier. The EV9 makes a strong case. And with federal tax credits and state incentives, the price can be even more attractive depending on where you live. Visually, the EV9 makes a bold statement the moment you see it. The EV9 is a bold SUV. It has a boxy, futuristic design that sets it apart from the crowd. The front fascia features Kia's digital tiger face design with LED light bars that look stunning at night. The side profile is muscular with sharp lines and strong wheel arches. It looks modern but also practical, with a high ground clearance. The rear end continues the futuristic vibe with tall vertical LED taillights. Overall, the EV9 has serious road presence. It's a head-turner, but it also looks like a car built for families, not just for showing off. Step inside and the EV9 feels like a lounge on wheels. This is a true three-row SUV, not just a stretched crossover. The cabin is minimalistic but premium. Kia has used eco-friendly materials like recycled plastics and vegan leather for the upholstery. The dashboard is dominated by dual screens, but also has physical buttons for essentials. The center console is massive with storage spaces for family needs. The second row seats are super comfortable and can even be had as lounge-style captain chairs in higher trims. The third row is usable for adults on shorter trips and perfectly fine for kids. There are USB-C ports in every row, Q folders, and even wireless charging pads. And lighting adds a premium touch to night drives. Overall, the interior feels airy, modern, and family-friendly. That wraps up today's review. The Kia EV9 is more than just an SUV, it's a glimpse of the future. It combines futuristic design, family practicality, strong range, and competitive pricing. Yes, it may not have the brand image of Tesla or Rivian yet, but Kia has proven with cars like the EV6 that they know how to build serious EVs. If you're looking for a three-row electric SUV that doesn't break the bank, the EV9 deserves a spot at the top of your list. This was ShiftPath's deep dive review of the Kia EV9. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more future-ready car reviews. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you choose the Kia EV9 or would you wait for Tesla and Rivian? Until next time, this is ShiftPath signing off.